Naghahanap ka ba ng something artsy, fun at totally IG-worthy? We found it right here at Art in Island in Cubao. Of course, we got our passes through Klook, tipid-tipid din with the promo code KlookScout for discounts. May ample parking space at super accommodating ang security guard and staff. Panalo sa first impression pa lang. Reminder lang ha, you need to wear socks sa loob. Kung wala kang dala, don't worry. Pwede kang bumili sa counter. Shoes off, creativity on. Time to enter this one-of-a-kind two-story museum. Every section has a different concept, from illusions to murals to interactive lights. Lahat picture perfect, lahat insta-worthy. Prepare to be extra, kasi dito, more effort sa posing, better results. Laban kung laban, sulitin mo na to. Pag napagod ka, don't worry, may chill area with beanbags. Pwede ka muna magpahinga habang naka-immerse ka pa rin sa art and music. After all that photoshoot and fun, may resto cafe sa dulo, sakto for quick refreshments or catching up with your friends. Art in Island is not just a museum, it's an experience. So next time you're in Cubao, you know what to do. And don't forget to book with Klook and use my code KlookScout para mas tipid ka at mas masaya. See you next time!